Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2025 all-new MG RX-9 AWD Ultimate, a luxurious and powerful SUV that's ready to redefine what premium comfort and performance mean in the MG lineup. MG has been stepping up its game year after year, and with the RX-9, it's clear that they're aiming straight for the big leagues, competing with the likes of Toyota Highlander, Kia Telluride, and even the Hyundai Palisade. But what makes the RX-9 special? Let's find out. At first glance, the MG RX-9 commands attention. The bold front grille, sculpted LED headlights, and sleek aerodynamic lines give it a dominant road presence. The chrome accents and strong proportions create a sense of sophistication, while the panoramic sunroof adds that modern luxury touch. MG has managed to craft a design that's both muscular and elegant, appealing to those who want power and class in one package. Under the hood, the RX-9 AWD Ultimate comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that produces around 231 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque, paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. The all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and handling, giving drivers confidence on all kinds of terrain, whether it's city streets, highways, or even rugged trails. The ride quality feels balanced and stable, while the steering response is sharp and precise, making the RX-9 a joy to drive. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of comfort and technology. The cabin of the RX-9 feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV interior. Premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and a massive 12.3-inch infotainment display take center stage. The digital instrument cluster and voice command system add to the futuristic experience. Passengers in all three rows enjoy generous space, while the tri-zone climate control keeps everyone comfortable. The attention to detail is truly impressive, with every stitch and trim piece designed for sophistication. Safety is another area where MG has gone all in. The RX-9 AWD Ultimate comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to make every drive safer and more relaxing. In short, the 2025 mg RX-9 AWD Ultimate is a statement SUV, one that blends power, luxury, and innovation in a way that's hard to ignore. It's built for families, adventurers, and anyone who wants a premium SUV without paying a luxury brand price tag. So, what do you think of the all-new MG RX-9? Would you pick it over its rivals? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates right here on Autocars Play.